Echo.
Will do.
Any new info, Rama, on Simon Phoenix?
There is nothing, Lenina Huxley. Where's your John Spartan?
Oh, he went to the bathroom. I guess he got all thawed out.
Oh. Sir, I formally convey my presence.
How you doing?
We are not used to physical contact greetings.
Germs.
Look, I don't know if you guys know it, but you're out of toilet paper.
Did you say toilet paper?
Oh, they used handfuls of wadded paper back in the 20s.
I'm happy that you're happy, but the place where you're supposed to have the toilet paper, you got this little shelf with 3 seashells on it.
He doesn't know how to use the 3 seashells. I can see how that could be
I
confusing.
don't believe it. Is that you, Spartan?
No. Zach? Zach Lamb? What happened to you?
I got older.
My God. I remember when you were a snot-nosed rookie pilot.
They finally grounded me.
Shit. You're a damn good flyer.
You are fined 2 credits for violation of the verbal morality statute.
I'll be right back.
They seem to be friends, yet he speaks to him in the most profane manner.
Well, if you had read my study, you would know that this is how insecure heterosexual males used to bond.
I knew that.
Thanks a lot, you shit
John Spartan, you are fined. John Spartan, you are John Spartan, you are John Spartan, you are fined 5 credits for repeated violations of the verbal morality statute.
So much for the seashells. See you in a few minutes.